Village life. I am Sarah. Today I will share some glimpse of my village life. In the heart of a quaint village, beneath the rustling leaves and beside the babbling brook, I, Sarah, took my first breaths. Born into a world painted in hues of green and gold, my childhood was a tapestry woven with the simplicity and warmth of rural life. Days were spent chasing butterflies through fields of wildflowers and listening to the melodic symphony of crickets at twilight. My earliest memories are of muddy bare feet, laughter that echoed through the orchards, and the comforting embrace of a close-knit community. As the daughter of farmers, I learned the rhythm of the seasons, planting seeds in the hopeful spring, basking in the summer sun as crops flourished, and harvesting the fruits of our labor in the golden autumn. Each day brought a new lesson, whether it was tending to livestock or sharing stories by the crackling fireplace. Education, though scarce, was a beacon of opportunity. I trekked to the village school, where worn-out books held the keys to distant worlds. Amidst chalk-dusted blackboards and the fragrance of aging paper, I nurtured dreams beyond the horizon, fueled by the stories of far-off places that unfolded in those precious pages. As the years unfolded, so did the tapestry of my life. I faced challenges, tasted the bitterness of loss, and celebrated the sweet victories that united our tight-knit community. The village molded me, instilling resilience, fostering compassion, and nurturing a sense of belonging. Life's compass eventually pointed beyond the familiar hills. Leaving the village wasn't a farewell, but a pursuit of broader horizons, carrying the essence of my roots wherever I ventured. Yet, the rustic memories of my village, the echoes of laughter, and the lessons etched in the fields linger within, guiding my journey with the enduring spirit of simplicity and community that village life bestowed upon me. Comment below from which country you are watching us. Vocabulary booster. Having a good vocabulary making you good in speaking English. Now, we are going to learn some new words from the lesson. These words will help you understand the lesson better and improve your English vocabulary. 1. Quaint. Attractively unusual or old-fashioned. 2. Babbling brook. To prepare food by the action of heat, as by boiling, baking, etc., or of food, to become ready for eating through such a process. 3. Tapestry. Woven decorative fabric, the design of which is built up in the course of weaving. 4. Close-knit community. Having strong relationships with each other and taking a close, friendly interest in each other's activities and problems. Share this video with your friends for learning English. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time, everyone.